This is Taj English Academy. I am your lecturer, presenter, advisor, consultant, Dr. Taj Firdousi. I wish you all a very good morning. Sabah al-Noor, Sabah al-Khair, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. May the peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on you forever and ever. With these greetings, let's start on the subject spoken English, grammar, the use of present simple. It's very important for us in our life to use this. And this situation comes quite often, many times in our lives. What situation is that? It's about a planning, describing of what? A program, a short trip or a program of a visit, something to tell the people, to tell a group how. For example, you are going to a resort, some hill station, and you plan that you will start on Saturday night and at say 10 o'clock. The whole night is the journey. The morning you will be there and then you will rest for 4 hours. Then you get up and then you will have the beginning of your trips. The first trip at 11 o'clock, which takes you to different places, and it will bring you back at 3 o'clock for your lunch. So let us start how you say that. You will explain. I am using present simple for the future program because it is a plan. We use present simple. So you will say, ladies and gentlemen, Saturday, the 9th of this month, we depart at 10 o'clock after our dinner. Then we have the sleeping coach, so we will all take rest. In the morning, when you get up, you are already there at the hill station. So, 6 o'clock we arrive at the hill station. We get our things, all our belongings, our suitcases and our luggage, and go to our hotel, and you will go to your respective rooms. We sleep there for another 3 hours to complete our rest. Then at 9 o'clock we get up, have a shower, and then we will have your breakfast. At exactly 10 o'clock the resort hotel coach takes us at 10:30 for sightseeing. Again, at 1 o'clock, we are back, we have our lunch and take rest. At 4 o'clock, we go out and we have different activities like mountain climbing, swimming, horse racing, lot of things until 6. We come back at 6. We'll have some snacks and coffee and tea, and we sit and relax in the lounge. At 8 o'clock, we have our dinner, and then we'll go and sit and watch some nice programs, and we talk and we chat. So, at 11 o'clock, we go to our bedrooms and sleep. The program is what I said, everything is present. We leave at Not we will leave or we will be leaving at 11 o'clock. We will be arriving there. Not we will, no, we will be arriving, we shall. No, nothing. Everything is future, but it's a plan. So we use present simple. Yeah, we go there at 6 and then 7:30 the program starts. At 9 o'clock we finish the program. At 10 o'clock we come back and then we'll have late dinner. See this program, we go, we come, we do, we get up. All these things are present simple because it's a program. So ladies and gentlemen, today what we learned is with the use of present simple to describe a program. Thank you very much for watching and hope you will enjoy this and you will practice this for your planning and everything. See you again. Bye. Take care. Ma'asalam from Dr. Taj Firdousi. Jazakallah khair. Please remember, there are special classes for IELTS with Dr. Taj. There are special classes for those who want to learn how to speak English very fast in a short time with me. The telephone number is given. You can see it on the screen at the end. And again, you will share this with all your friends. If anyone wants to know about some programs for a group discussion, for a group program, you can arrange with me, Dr. Taj Firdousi. So, share this and plan this. Make use of the time, it's very important. You have a lot of things to know perfectly with the super perfection with interest with your interest. Take care. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much. See you again. Remember, this is the advanced level and we have even for the medium level, approximately little lower than that, and the basic, elementary, intermediate, all levels are there. Thank you for watching. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu rahmatullahi